Hold on to your hats, animal lovers. It's sea otter time. Sea otters are not just adorable, they're amazing. Did you know they have the thickest fur of any animal? Yep, up to 1 million hairs per square inch. And get this, they use tools. Sea otters crack open shellfish with rocks, making them one of the few animals that use tools. They also hold hands while sleeping to stay together. How cute is that? Oh, and they can eat up to 25% of their body weight in food each day. If you love sea otters, hit that subscribe button on Wild World Wonders for more fun facts. Let me know in the comments which animal facts you want next.